So many people are so stressed out about selling their homes and trying to figure out where am I going to get this money to do these updates. Oh, it was excellent. It was a super easy, seamless process. My client basically just went online and she applied to be a part of the program. They did a soft credit pull and figured out the amount that she would be able to work with. And once she was approved, the money would just be put in her account, or she'd upload an estimate and then that money would go ahead and get dropped into her account, and then she could pay the contractors as soon as it was finished. You can also use it for staging, anything that you need to do really to get that house ready for sale. And it was definitely a seamless, easy process from start to finish. And it made a huge difference. Yeah, it did. We got the house on the market. We had renovated the kitchen with that money. So we were able to renovate the kitchen. We did some painting, some updating and some lawn care and a few little maintenance items. And we were able to get the house ready for sale. We put it on the market and we had an over full price offer within a week. And we closed for, gosh, at least $10,000 higher than we initially asked for because the house looks so good. 150%. It is so beneficial because so many people are so stressed out about selling their homes and trying to figure out where am I going to get this money to do these updates. And the great thing about it is you just pay at closing. It comes out of your proceeds at closing, so there's no stress on the beginning part of the process that they have to come up with this money to do it. And it's able to fix the house up and have it in pristine condition and ready to go, especially in this market when things are taking longer to sell and you really need to be top-notch with your listing and your photos and all of that good stuff. Such an easy process. It took 5 minutes, honestly. I got her the information. She went right online, put her information in, and then she was approved pretty quickly. We had an answer within the same day for that one. We had the same answer, and she found out how much she was approved for, and we started the process right away.